Alrighty, so here we are on the Ford Ranger. We're going to be removing this sensor and that little 90, and then we're going to be adding the new updated version right here from Benzforce. Then we can put it in any orientation we want since it's a banjo bolt. So let's get started over here. I'm just gonna go through here and get the sensor unplugged. They're kind of tight. Oh, that thing's really tight. Guess that's how it's supposed to be though. Let's try this again. It's such a pain. Here we go. Let's try this again. Alrighty, so as you've seen, I barely had enough room to get that out. So I'm going to go ahead and screw this into there, and then we'll get this bolt put back in place of where that 90 just was. Okay, so here's the old design that just threaded right in. Of course the threads are messed up now that I just destroyed it to get it out. But this was a good design. This one is just so much more better because you can, like I said, you can put it at any orientation you need it at. So this will thread right into here. Go ahead and snug this up. Alrighty, so this piece right here is machined for a 15mm wrench to go onto. My sensor just happens to be a 22mm. Get that nice and snug. And that'll go on there just like that, which is in place of this right here. Alright, so fumbling around with this thing for like 30 minutes. Decided to test fit the bolt itself just to see how much clearance I actually did have, and there was a pretty good amount. Just so happens that it's very tricky to get in here with my steering support brace kind of in the way, but I'm going to try to set my phone up again, throw the sensor in that fitting on there, and we'll get her handled. See if I can't go with this anymore. Alright, so we got it all tight. Got it oriented to where we think will be good. Throw this back around here. See if I can plug it in like this. Very nice. And then it's out of the way of that bolt. It's all plugged in.